A 3D printer works by creating three-dimensional objects layer by layer based on a digital design file. Here's a simplified breakdown of the process. Digital design. It all starts with a digital 3D model of the object you want to create. This model is constructed using specialized software like computer-aided design, CAD programs, or obtained through 3D scanning technologies. Slicing. Once you have your digital model, slicing software is used to break it down into numerous thin horizontal layers akin to the pages of a book. Each layer represents a cross-section of the object. Printing process. The 3D printer reads these sliced layers and begins the printing process. One of the most common printing methods is fused deposition modeling, FDM. In FDM, a thermoplastic filament is fed into a heated nozzle where it melts and is extruded onto the build platform in precise paths determined by the sliced layers. The nozzle moves along the X, Y, and Z axes, depositing material to build up the object layer by layer. Layering and bonding. As each layer is deposited, it quickly cools and solidifies, adhering to the previous layer. This process is repeated until all layers have been deposited and the object is complete. The layers bond together, forming a solid, cohesive structure. Post-processing. Depending on the specific requirements of the object and the printing method used, post-processing may be necessary. This can involve tasks such as removing support structures, smoothing rough surfaces, or applying additional treatments like painting or coating. Overall, 3D printing offers unparalleled flexibility and versatility in creating objects with complex geometries and customized designs. It's revolutionizing various industries from manufacturing and aerospace to healthcare and consumer goods by enabling rapid prototyping, cost-effective production, and innovative design possibilities.